Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Facebook and Instagram pages for seamless social media management. This powerful integration offers numerous benefits, making your online presence more efficient and impactful. You can save valuable time by managing both platforms from a single point, ensuring your content reaches a broader audience. Let's dive into the simple steps to link your accounts and unlock these advantages, enhancing your digital strategy significantly. To begin connecting your accounts, start from your Facebook page. Access your page settings, usually found in the left-hand menu. Look for the linked accounts or Instagram option. Clicking this will prompt you to connect your Instagram account. Simply follow the instructions, entering your Instagram username and password when requested. This process typically takes less than 1 minute to complete, establishing the initial link between your two platforms. Alternatively, you can initiate the connection from your Instagram app. Head to your profile, tap the 3 lines for the menu, and go into Settings. From there, select Account and then Sharing to other apps. Choose Facebook from the list, and you will be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Once logged in, select the specific Facebook page you want to link. This method provides another straightforward path to integrate your social media presence. Once connected, you'll gain access to a unified inbox, streamlining communication from both platforms. You can also schedule posts to appear on both Facebook and Instagram simultaneously, saving you significant effort. Furthermore, you'll receive comprehensive analytics, offering a holistic view of your performance. If you encounter issues, double-check that you have full admin access to both your Facebook page and Instagram account. This ensures a smooth and successful connection process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.